Remember those green visors accountants used to wear? Yeah, those were cool. But what's not cool is how accounting used to be done. We're talking dusty ledgers, mountains of receipts, and enough calculator tapping to make your head spin. It was a recipe for boredom, errors, and maybe even a few paper cuts. Ouch! Enter the Internet of Things, or IoT for those in the know, or those who like to sound fancy. It's like the internet, but for things. Instead of your computer talking to your phone, imagine your fridge gossiping with your coffee maker about your questionable grocery choices. Now, imagine that power harnessed for accounting. But how does it actually work? Well, imagine tiny little spies, or sensors as the techies call them, embedded in everything from your company's delivery trucks to the vending machine down the hall. These sensors collect data, and lots of it. We're talking real-time info on inventory, expenses, even how much coffee your employees are guzzling down. Now, before you start thinking this is all some Orwellian nightmare, relax. This data isn't about judging your snack choices, though maybe cut back on the donuts. It's about giving businesses superpowers, like X-ray vision, but for their finances. Take RFID tags, for example. They're like those little anti-theft stickers at the store, but way more sophisticated. Slap one on a product and bam! You can track its every move from the warehouse to the delivery truck, all in real time. No more wondering where that shipment of rubber chickens went astray. Then there are smart meters. Forget manually tracking energy usage. These bad boys do it for you 24/7. See how much that neon sign is really costing you. And let's not forget about GPS trackers. They can keep tabs on your company vehicles. No more unauthorized detours to the beach, employees. So, we've got all this data. Now what? Well, that's where things get really interesting. Remember those old financial reports, the ones that were already out of date by the time they were printed? Yeah, those are so last century. With IoT, businesses can access real-time financial information. That means no more nasty surprises when the end-of-quarter reports roll around. It's like having a crystal ball. But instead of predicting the future, it shows you exactly where your money is going right now. This real-time data isn't just about playing detective with your finances. It's about making smarter decisions. See a spike in energy usage? Time to invest in some energy-efficient light bulbs. Or tell Steve to stop leaving the lights on. Notice inventory levels are low. Better order more before you have a customer riot on your hands. Section 4. The Robot Revolution. Bookkeepers, beware. Now, for the part you've all been waiting for, the robots. Okay, maybe not robots in the Terminator sense, though that would make tax season more exciting. We're talking about automation, baby. Remember those tedious bookkeeping tasks? The ones that made you want to poke your eyes out with a calculator? Well, IoT is coming for those too. Invoice processing, expense reports, even payroll, all ripe for automation with the help of our little sensor friends. Now, before you bookkeepers start updating your resumes, hold on. Automation isn't about replacing humans yet. It's about freeing up your time so you can focus on the important stuff, like analyzing all that delicious data and providing strategic financial advice. Section 5. The future is now. Accounting in the age of smart toilets. Yes, really. So, what does the future hold for accounting and IoT? Well, things are about to get even weirder and more efficient. We're talking smart toilets that automatically order toilet paper when you're running low. Okay, maybe that's a bit much. Or is it? But seriously, the possibilities are endless. Imagine sensors in company cars that track mileage for automatic expense reports. Or how about AI-powered software that analyzes spending patterns and identifies potential savings? The future of accounting is looking less like a calculator and more like a sci-fi movie. But one thing's for sure, things are about to get a whole lot more interesting. So buckle up, accountants. The IoT revolution is here, and it's bringing real-time data, automation, and maybe even a few robot sidekicks along for the ride. Section 6. Conclusion: embrace the bots or prepare to be audited by one. The world of accounting is changing faster than a CFO on a caffeine bender. The days of dusty ledgers and manual data entry are numbered. IoT is here to stay, and it's bringing a whole new level of efficiency, accuracy, and maybe even a little bit of excitement to the world of finance. So embrace the bots, folks, or prepare to be audited by one.